Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Open the trunk. To replace the bulb on the reversing spotlights located in the tailgate, unclip the plastic cover using a flathead screwdriver. Take a quarter turn anti-clockwise by holding the base of the bulb, then pull on the bulb to remove it. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the plastic cover back in place. Open the trunk carpet where it's been pre-cut and unscrew by hand the plastic wing nut that holds the light. Using a socket wrench and a 20 Torx socket, unscrew the 3 holding screws on the headlights.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Extract the light box by pulling it towards you. Lever off the electric connector to remove it. Then to access the bulbs, separate the 2 tabs on the plastic board. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Plug the electrical connector back together. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the 3 holding screws on the headlights. Screw the wing nut by hand and put the carpet back in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.